Hello viewers, today we are going to learn how you can apply a realistic kind of lipstick to your lips, or you can also change the color of your lips as you want. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Here I have my subject. I have imported an image. Here I have my subject. I will duplicate the layers with Control or Command J. Here I have the second layer. I will convert it into smart object. Here I have now the smart object. Now the next step is to take the selection of my object's lips. Here you can choose the tool of your choice. Here I'm going to use magic wand lasso tool. Here I will go precisely and slowly. Remember viewers that as perfect as selection you can, you will get the more refined and perfect results. So I am going slowly and precisely to select the object. Here I have my selection and I will go to the layers panel, and here I will add new layer with solid color. For this time I am leaving it with any type of random color. Here you have to click on mask, press alt and then click on mask. Here I am going to reduce the opacity of this layer. And while selecting the mask, I will paint with the brush black so that I can reveal the teeth underneath the color. And here you have to go precisely, and as much as time you spend on your artwork, you will get better and better results. So we have done our selection on mask. Here you can refine selection as much as you want. Here you have to double click on the mask, and here you have to select enter, select and mask, and here you go. Here you have to kind of select the preview option that you want. In this case I'm going to go with black and white. Here you have to set a radius to somewhere where your object feels good, and I am increasing smoothness and feather, and this is pretty much I want to do with this. And here I have to click OK, and it will apply to affect the layer mask of my layer. Here I'm going to add a hue saturation layer, and here you have to click and drag the mask to the hue saturation adjustment layer and confirm yes. Remove the color layer. Here you have to kind of play around with these hue, saturation, and lightness handles to change or apply the color of the lipstick that you want. Here we go. You can choose any color that you want that suits best with your subject. In this case, I'm going with some kind of this color. Here you can see this is before and this is after. In this way you can do this with any of the color that you want. So in this way you can change the color of the lipstick and apply the realistic lipsticks that you want on your image. Thank you for watching, and if you like that tutorial, subscribe and share it with your friends.